We'll stay with Mumbai actually. 1 BHK options in Mumbai aren't really low-cost homes. They are what a middle-income family can afford in a city like Mumbai. Manasvi Gilani finds out that there's been a recent spurt in the launch of 1 BHK projects in the financial capital over the last couple of months, and a lot more are also in the pipeline. So what's prompting these launches? Is it the huge pile of unsold larger flats, or simply the fact that 2 BHKs have become simply too expensive for most buyers in Mumbai? Here's a report.
The first half of 2012 has seen a distinct trend of developers in Mumbai region launching 1 BHK homes. These come either as a part of a larger multi-BHK development or simply as standalone projects. 15 odd 1 BHK projects have been announced.
The reason why it's been happening, what we believe, is that overall in the last 1.5 to 2 years, there has been the approvals have not really been coming so easily, and while the approvals have slowed down, the supply which was existing or already there, the price points haven't come down. The correction, what the media has been touting for a long time, it hasn't really happened overall as it was expected. So the price points, when it was a bull phase, and as always we keep repeating, is in a bull phase the strongest player always leads the market where the prices are concerned. So that happened. The strong player would lead the prices up, everybody else would follow suit, and then the approvals stopped coming in. Whatever inventory was there, it stayed there. What happened as effect was that the prices became unaffordable, and there were no buyers out there. So what now we are seeing is the builders are not willing to cut the prices, but because 1 BHKs are generally smaller in configuration, 600 square feet to 800 square feet, sometimes even 500 square feet in a carpet basis, because the configuration has slowed down or has been crumpled in, the overall affordability increases.
Ravi Group, Adhiraj Constructions, Ronak City, Mup Khan have their 1 BHK projects in the launching phase. Even developers that are well known for their premium and ultra luxury projects like Indiabulls, Raheja, Hubtown, Hiranandani, Ajmera, Nirmal Lifestyle and others have seized the opportunity to reach out to the buyers with a buying capacity of 25 lakhs to 75 lakhs depending on the preferred location.
What we've seen is that when there's an ample demand, there was always there's going to be an ample demand for 1 bedroom apartments, and we had foreseen this about 3-4 years back, and then that's how we started our constructions and developments in few of our projects in the extended suburbs of Mumbai, the MMR region.
Developers are looking at investing in the extended suburbs of Mumbai. Moving to the outskirts makes commercial sense and a more viable investment for them, say experts.
If you have this same concept in maybe a central Mumbai or in the heart of the city, that would not really work because the affordability doesn't factor in for a 1 bedroom to come in. The prices would be so high that a 1 bedroom cannot be made or cannot be sold.
If I was a developer and if I were to launch something in Bandra, 1 BHK would not really make any strong sense commercially. So the distinct trend is for these 1 BHKs to come up in the suburbs, because there still the land prices are a little low and you can still play along with the configuration.
With leaving no option for buyers but to move away from the hub, the question is this trend here to stay?
1 BHK is a demand which will always stay, because Bombay has got people. There are two kinds of people who will go for 1 BHK. One who can't afford it, and second are these floating populations which keep coming here, whether they take it for rent or it's their first house while they are struggling to put their things together. So these are the people who look for it.
If you're an end user or an investor with a budget of about 40 to 60 lakhs, we've shared a range of options with you where you can invest, even if it meant traveling to the center of the city. Because owning an apartment in Mumbai is no less than an achievement. Manasvi Gilani for NDTV.
So that was a list of 1 BHK projects which are coming up in Mumbai. So if you're looking for one, keep an eye on those projects and pick up the phone and call us if you're looking to buy, sell or invest property and would like to make an informed decision.